Welcome to all dear student. My name is Mohammad Shweb. Today our topic is inequalities. Show the following inequalities on number line. First of all, we remember this sign. We use this sign for greater than, and we use this sign for less than, and we use this sign for greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So our first question, in first question we have n greater than minus 3. So we show this on number line. So we have a number line where we have a scale. In center we have 0, and on right side we have plus 1, plus 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. And on left side of 0 we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 up to so on. Now we show negative 3. So where is negative 3 on number line? So here is we have a negative 3. So here we have a negative 3. And n greater than negative 3. So it means here we have a negative 3 and which is greater. So we make an arrow like this. So this show n greater than minus 3. So I hope you got it. If we have greater than or less than sign, then we draw a small circle without shaded like this. If we have a greater than or less than sign, then we draw circle like this and we shade it. So this show close interval and this show open interval. So we have open circle and close circle. So now in question 2, we have n less than equal to. So here we have 2. So on number line here we have a 2. So we make a circle and less than equal to. So the direction of this circle we show here. So we shade the circle. So this is represent n less than equal to. Now we have question 3. So in question 3 we show t less than 4. So here we have a 4 less than, so it means we move toward negative numbers. 4, then 3, 2, 1. So this represent t less than 4. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 4. So in question 4 we have p greater than equal to minus 2. So on number line we have here minus 2 and we have p greater than equal to minus 2. So it means greater than, so we move here this direction and we shade the circle. So this represents the close interval. So here we write p greater than equal to minus 2. Now we have question 5. So in question 5 we have n less than minus 2 and n less than equal to 4. So here we have a 4 and here we have a negative 2. So we draw two circle and now we made these two circle. So here we have a less than sign. So we use open circle, so which represent n less than 4 and less than minus 2. Now we have question 6. So in question 6 we have a n less than minus 1 less than equal to 3. So here we have a negative 1 and here we have a 3. So meet the circle and here we have a less than equal to 3. So it means we have closed circle and here we have less than minus 1. So here we have a open circle. So this represent n less than equal to 3 and less than minus 1. So I hope you got it. Our next question 7. So in question 7 we have b less than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 4. So here we have a minus 1. So we draw a circle and here we have a 4. So now we meet each other with a line. So both have less than equal to sign. So here we have a close interval. So we have a closed circle. So this line represent b less than equal to 4 and less than equal to minus 1. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 8. In question 8 we have 3n plus 2. So we solve this inequality. So we want to calculate the value of n. So here we have a 3n. Now we move plus 2. So here we have 17 minus 2. So 3n greater than 17 minus 2 which is equal to 15. So we want to calculate the value of n. So we divide both sides with positive 3. So we cancel 3 with 3. So value of n which is equal to greater than equal to 5. So 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15. So n greater than equal to 3. So this is our final answer. I hope you got it. Now our next question 9. So in question 9 we have 2n minus 7 less than equal to 12. So we shift minus 7 to other end. So we have less than equal to 12 plus 7. So now we have 2n less than equal to 12 plus 7 which is equal to 19. So now we want to calculate the value of n. So we divide both sides with 2. So value of n which is equal to, so value of n less than equal to 19 over 2. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 10. So in question 10 we have 24 greater than equal to 3 into 2a plus 5. So first of all we multiply with 3 on both sides. So if we multiply 3 with 2 then we have 6a, 3 to the 6a and 3 5 the 15. So here we have plus 15. Now we move this 15 here. So here we have 24 minus 15 greater than equal to 6a. So if we subtract these two terms then we have 9 greater than equal to 6a. So now we want to calculate the value of a. So we divide both sides with 6. So we cancel this 6 with 6. So here we have 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6. So we have 3 over 2. So it means 3 over 2 greater than equal to A, or we write A less than equal to 3 over 2. So this is our final answer. Now our next question 11. So in question 11 we have 6p plus 7 greater than equal to 8p plus 31. So now we move this 8p here. So here we have minus 8p, and here we have sign greater than equal to, and here we have 31. So now we move this plus 7 here. So here we have negative 7. So 6p minus 8p, so we have minus 2p greater than equal to 31 minus 7. So if we subtract 31 with 7, then we have like 31 minus 7, very simple. So we have 24. So here we have 24. Now we want to calculate the value of p, but we have negative 2p. So we divide both side with minus 2. So here we have 24. So now we divide both side with minus 2. If we divide inequality with negative sign, or if we multiply both sides with negative number, then inequality sign will be changed. So here we have p, and this inequality sign change. So here we have greater than equal to, so we convert less than equal to. And if we divide 24 with negative 2, then we have minus 12. So this is our answer. If we ask represent on number line, very simple. Then we draw a number line like this. In center we have 0, and on right side of 0 we have positive 1, positive 2, up to so on. Let's suppose here we have positive 12, and here we have 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And here we have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, up to so on. So we represent p less than equal to minus 12. So here we have negative 12. So let's suppose here we have minus 12. So we make a circle like this, and we have p less than equal to minus 12. So less than of minus 12 represent here. So we color this circle. So this represent p less than equal to minus 12. Now our next question 12. So in question 12 we have 2m minus 5 less than equal to 16 minus m. So here we have 2m. Now we shift this negative m here, so we have plus m less than equal to 16. So now we shift this minus 5 to here, so here we have plus 5. So 2m plus m, so we have 3m, and 16 plus 5, so we have 21. Now we divide both sides with 3. So 21 divided by 3, so which is equal to 7. So 3 7 the 21. So m less than equal to 7. If we represent on number line, then we draw a number line. Here we have 0, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we have 7. and here we have -1, -2, -3 up to so on -4. So m less than equal to 7. So here we have a 7 and this represent less than. So we close the circle. So this represent m less than equal to 7. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.